In today's video, we are diving into a detailed comparison between two innovative laundry solutions: the Scrubba wash bag and the Elevon mini washing machine. Both products cater to the needs of travelers and those with limited laundry space, but they do so in very different ways. The Scrubba wash bag is a lightweight, manual washing solution that is perfect for camping and travel. On the other hand, the Elevon mini washing machine offers a compact design with a spin dryer, making it a versatile choice for home use. Let's explore how these two products stack up against each other in terms of portability, efficiency, and user-friendliness. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba wash bag truly shines. Weighing in at just 5.3 ounces, it can easily fit into your backpack, making it an ideal companion for travelers. Its manual operation means you don't need to worry about finding an outlet. In contrast, the Elevon mini washing machine, while still compact, weighs significantly more and requires a power source, which may limit its portability for some users. However, its design allows for easy storage in small spaces, making it a great option for apartments or RVs. In terms of washing efficiency, the Scrubba wash bag allows users to manually wash clothes using its unique internal washboard design, which can provide a thorough clean without the need for electricity. However, this requires some effort and time on the user's part. On the other hand, the Elevon mini washing machine offers automated washing with a rotary timer controller, making it easier for users to set it and forget it. This can be a significant advantage for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase decision. The Scrubba wash bag is priced at $55, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Elevon mini washing machine comes in at $77, which may be seen as a higher investment. However, considering the features and convenience it offers, some users may find the extra cost justifiable. It's essential to weigh the benefits against the price to determine which product offers the best value for your needs. In conclusion, both the Scrubba wash bag and Elevon mini washing machine have their unique advantages and cater to different needs. The Scrubba is perfect for those who prioritize portability and manual washing, while the Elevon offers convenience and efficiency for home use. Depending on your lifestyle and laundry needs, either option could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.